Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Yes, I'm back. I had to take a little break. Short explanation in my next video as to why. It's a sort of a vague reason, but it just sort of explains it a bit better, but I'm not going to go through that. I have got a few videos ready because today I'll be going away, so I've got a few videos uploaded, ready to go. I'll post them when I'm ready, but they'll be online while I'm away. Just so to keep you guys entertained, but I'm going to slowly integrate myself back into YouTube, get going again, and I just, it was sort of like the right time to come back, I guess, but it was a much needed break anyway. But we'll get straight into these new release models. These are the September 2018 new releases from Gemini jets, and it's a pretty decent release actually, probably the best in a while for both 1-400 and 1-200, so very exciting month. And by the way, I was gonna, if there are any new releases while we're away, I may be able to go through them. I'm taking my laptop, so I will have that. But if I don't get to it, I don't get to it because it's just you know, be doing things while I'm away. Anyway, first up is the Aeromexico 737 MAX 8. Registration's XAMAG. Very nice looking model. Next up, Air Tahiti Nui 787-9 FONUI. Very good looking aircraft. I like the new livery, and it really stands out on the 787. So I'm really excited to see this at Auckland, because Auckland is the first destination for Air Tahiti Nui's 787s. Alaska Airlines A321neo N927VA in the More to Love livery. It looks pretty cool. Delta Airlines 777-200LR N708DN. Emirates 787-10. There have been no registrations released on this aircraft, so I don't know why. Well, I shouldn't be saying that because we know why, but I don't know why they would release it without registration. What is really the point? But we know why they have released one, because of the contract they have with Emirates. I still don't see the reason for releasing it this early. June A340-300 FGLZP. Porter Bombardier Q400. That looks pretty cool. CGLQC, celebrating Canada's 150th. This is the, celebrating the independence of Canada. 2017, Porter, Ottawa. Qantas Link A320 VHVQS, not bad. Southwest 737 MAX 8. That is pretty cool. I wasn't gonna say it, but might as well. Any Southwest fans interested? I have a review coming up very, very shortly. It's one that I've planned to upload while I'm away, so get prepared. It's been a long time since I've done a Southwest review. United 737 MAX 9. I didn't go through the Southwest registration, did I? N8706W. And the United one is N67501. And that looks really, really nice. Virgin Atlantic A340-600 GVNAP. Yeah, the big Virgin Atlantic, thank you. We've had that release previously. Yeah, this one here. Last month. WestJet 737 MAX 8 CFRAX. So yeah, that does it for the 1-400 models. Now 1-200 scale, and I'm excited about this one because it's pretty good. Quite a few. Well, not quite a few, just a few. I would like to say quite a few, but still, it's decent. Air Canada 777-300ER CFITU, definitely a must get. Alaska Airlines A321neo N927VA. British Airways A320neo, and that is GTTNA, pretty nice. Emirates, of course, 777-300ER, new Expo 2020. So all they really did was update the logo. You know, from I think a couple of years ago they started phasing them out with the old logos and replacing them with the new logos of Expo 2020 that's held in Dubai. So it's not the actual Expo 2020, you know, the green, I think, no, the orange livery on the 777, it's not that one, so don't get excited about it. It's not the wrong picture, it's just, yeah, A6ENU. Regional Express, Saab 340, VHZRL. This is, well, there's next to it, definitely must gets. United 787-10 N78791. Registration says it all, first 787-9. Looks very nice. This 787's always good looking aircraft. Virgin Atlantic A350-1000 GVXWB. Again, another fitting registration, really. And yeah, just amazing looking aircraft. So three definite muskets for me: Air Canada, United, and Virgin. And I must say we've had a pretty decent release, at least for myself. First one in quite a while. And 1400 looking good, new models there, which is good to see. And yeah, nothing more to say really. It's just a overall good month for everyone. I don't think there can be too many complaints. And so I'm just, I wouldn't have said this in my upcoming video, but I'll just go through where I will be heading. So I'll be away today. So today's 24th in New Zealand, 24th of August. Heading out tonight, NZ6 confirmed staff, and when I get to Lax, I'm heading straight to New York, to JFK. I'm never confirmed on any of these airlines, by the way, flying on staff tickets. So yeah, heading straight to JFK and spend a few days there. Intentions, there's certain intentions while I'm there, not necessarily plane spotting, although I would hope that I could have time for that. But there are certain intentions to go there because of what's on. And then heading to Boston for a few nights, Toronto for a few nights, coming home via Vancouver. So it's going to be a good trip. A couple of places I haven't been, which is Boston and Toronto. So I'm hoping to enjoy it. So I hope to have some in-flight videos for you guys. I want to get those up soon because I've hardly posted in-flight videos straight away when I've come back. So I want to get those done. But anyway, thank you guys for listening this long, watching this video for this long. I appreciate it. Please like. If you did enjoy this video, comment, tell me what you think of this release, tell me which models you're going to get. Subscribe for more. As I said, videos are on the way while I'm gone. And share this video as well so other people know about these new releases and see if they want to get any. Because I think some of these are definitely going to be sellouts. I'm looking at Air Tahiti Nui. Sellout. Get it if you can. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.